RXP Technologies provides professional cultivation solutions for cannabis growers. We follow a direct sales and service model while maintaining market-leading quality control on all of our products. Our solutions are tested through a robust product testing platform to support growers in optimizing cannabis cultivation.
Here's a quick look at what all we've got accomplished. So far, we've got most of the base of the little scene built, and then we've got two stormtroopers and two of the rebel soldiers. Shouts out to the stormtroopers, though. You know, they getting it in. Oh, yeah, make sure you go ahead and get your networking in. Y'all know that's what we do. You go live, so y'all got somewhere to network, right?
Lockdown Records presents a Hip Hop Christmas. You'll get such classics as Santa Claus is Coming on, Jingle Balls, I'm Dreaming of a White Woman, and who could forget Frosty the Dope Man? And how about All I Want for Christmas is the Charges Dropped? These nuts roasted on an open fire, a sleigh ride in my 64, and yep, it's Christmas, and many more. Get this new CD set in stores just $19.99.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to smoke your relatives. Please. No! I didn't do it by myself. Whitney and Bobby help me. Please. No! No! Wait. No.
What up, Tamika?
Oh, my God. I smell something burning. Oh, it's me. I got an idea. Wait a second! Hold on, Shorty! Oh! Take it to the head! Take it to the head! You take it like a...
Put the shorty down! Onions and Cheetos!
Burn more than a purse!
Said put the shorty down. Damn. What up, Tamika Davis? Y'all know to go check her out. She's very supportive. Make sure y'all tap in with her community post. She's not a content creator. She's just a supporter. Make sure y'all go over there and support anybody y'all see her dropping on you.
That's how Hugh came. He was a really evil man. And I found a picture of his wife.
I don't care about that part. We done seen the shorty getting smoked scene before they try to flag me for that. Hell, the first part of the video they tried to already flag me for that first video. I might have another fucking warning or a strike. Who cares? The show goes on.
Delta 8. Everything from weed, edibles, vapes, tinctures, and more was showing up in every gas station and vape shop across the nation. At first, people had questions. How is this stuff legal if it gets you high? How is it made? And is it even safe to consume? But regardless of the skepticism, Delta 8 soon became a $2 billion industry. An industry that
my
sold its
paperwork right here. Don't be trying to
products
take my
all 50
information.
states, all legally. However, as the years went on, the dark side of Delta 8 was fully exposed. With multiple brands containing heavy metals like nickel, copper, and lead, lab-grown products lying about being natural, and much, much more, it became clear that Delta 8 was not what it seemed. So, where did it all start? Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Farm Bill of 2018. At face value, this piece of federal legislation seems pretty innocent. Its main intent was to provide support and stability to U.S. farmers by enhancing farm support programs, improving crop insurance, and maintaining disaster programs, among other things. However, the most notable part of the Farm Bill was the legalization of hemp farming and distribution. And I know what you're thinking. This looks exactly like the plant that makes weed. While that's true, there is a noticeable difference between the two. You see, the hemp plant and marijuana plant are both considered cannabis plants, but hemp contains less than 0.3% of delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol, marijuana's primary psychoactive chemical. On the other hand, marijuana contains greater than 0.3%. Also, legalizing it allowed U.S. farmers to use hemp in the production